In today's video I'm gonna show you how I upgrade my soldering fume extractor hood. So a couple of videos ago I built this soldering fume extractor hood. Check that out if you haven't already. And today I want to upgrade it. But first I have to take it apart. And there it is, disassembled and assembled again. With the fan inside here blowing out of the back. And no, I did not forget to put in the filters, they're right here, because this time I want to operate it without filters. Because my new idea is to guide the fumes directly out of my room. And for this I got this aluminum tubing right here that I want to attach to the extractor hood. And to attach it, I 3D printed this bracket right here that just fits into the back piece. Because, as I already mentioned in the video where I built the extractor hood, this thing is completely modular, so I can make new adapters and just pop them in. Again, check the video out if you haven't already. I designed the adapter in a special way. At the back you got the connecting tube to the aluminum, and here, as you can see, the walls are angled. I don't know if you can see it on camera. And I did this so that it works like a funnel for the exhaust, because I don't want the exhaust to be blown at a straight wall, so they hit a straight wall, and here they are blown to this angled wall, so they blow here and then get like a little funnel pushed into the main tubing. And as already mentioned, I want to use this aluminum tubing to guide the exhaust out of my room through my window. But there is a problem. When I open my window, I got this gap right here, but the aluminum tubing is just too thick to fit through. However, I have this piece of tube right here that actually fits through my window. But I have to connect this to the aluminum tube. But I can't just connect it because there's another problem. The inside diameter of the aluminum tube is way bigger than the inside diameter of the plastic tube. So a lot more air can flow through the aluminum tube than through the plastic tubing right here. But I have a solution. I designed and 3D printed this adapter right here. And the one side goes into the aluminum tube and the other side has two outlets that connect to the plastic tubing, as you can see here. On the inside the airflow gets split in half so that I have double the flow inside the plastic tube, and that should work out with the airflow inside of the aluminum tube. So now everything that's left to do is to assemble it and attach the tube to the wall. To do this I want to use this metal strip right here that I can bend in the shape I want and then screw it onto the wall, and it will hold the aluminum tubing. So let's go. Alright, everything is installed and now let's test it. Here I got my smoke machine. The last time I used this thing was in my Dancing-Stein video for Halloween. Check that out if you haven't already. And now let's test the system. First I turn on the fan. Oh, I unplugged the fan. Now it's working, and let's go. And it's done. I mean, it's not the prettiest thing I've ever built, I admit that, but it works and that's important. So I think all in all it turned out pretty good. If things are you, feel free to like, share and subscribe. Here are my videos, here you find my channel, so have a nice day and see you soon.